Welcome to another CAD cabin training video. In this video, we'll try to copy a design from Pinterest and make your own house plan in this software. Go to Pinterest.com and make a search on keywords like two-story house plan UK. Search for a pin that you will copy and will be your reference in designing your own home. Find one image and we'll start duplicating the design into our software. Let's say you want to copy this design easily. And we'll start doing the magic in 3D Architect Home Designer software. This is a two-story home with carport. Now, we'll switch to the program and start by drawing the plan. To start, let's draw the exterior walls. As you can see, I used guidelines to align the walls, ready for interior walling. To use guidelines, click on the Guidelines tool at the lower toolbar. Then, set the reference point. You can rotate the line 360 degrees, or either vertical or horizontal. Another click to fix the guideline. After creating a large room, next, draw the interior walls. You can add your bedrooms, bathroom or any room according to your desired size. Just click on the wall starting point, drag and click to end the wall. Continue until you have completed all the interior partitions. Select Doors tool icon and select a door from the catalog on the right. For the main entry door, let's use double panel door. Select the door type, then we'll use midway input option. To add this door, right-click on the first reference point, then another click on the second point. This will automatically locate the door at the center of the 2 points. Now, add all the other doors. You can either use free positioning, this allows you to set doors at any location without any reference points. Or, by a set distance. This option allows you to enter distance value at a chosen edge. Let's add windows similar to the image. First, select Windows tool icon. Then, find a window type that is similar to the window at the image. Let's pick plain window with a glass pane below. Then, we'll change the value at the component options at the top bar. You can change the measurements here. Let's change the sill height by first clicking on the sill height at the illustration. Based on the image, and the sill height there is a bit low than the standard. So we'll change the default value to 0.5 meters. After that, change the bottom pane height, click on the lower glass pane in the illustration or select the drop-down menu. Then change the overall height. This will determine the upper glass pane height. And lastly, change the width. You can now insert the windows. Let's use windows at set distance input. Once selected, open the tool options at the top bar. Select the edge where you would like to start or the reference, then overwrite the distance value. In this example, we'll set it to 0 and right edge. Click on the center of the wall, then click to position the door. Hover mouse to set the window opening and another click if done. Let's do this again on another window panel. Add all the other windows on the ground floor. What if we increase to floor height? To do this, select Floors at the main menu, then select Edit Active Floor from the drop-down. A pop-up window will appear where you can change floor name, floor height and material. Let's change the floor height from the default 2.75 to 3.25 meters. Then click OK to save changes. The ground floor height will increase as you can see in the 3D. Before we move on to the first floor, let's add staircase. Let's add a U-shaped winder stair similar to the floor plan that we are duplicating. Select Stairs tool, then select U-shaped winder staircase in the catalog. To insert it to the plan properly, click on a starting point. We'll select the edge of the wall in this case. Then another click to set the depth of the staircase area. Lastly, another right click to set the length of the overall staircase. This automatically generates the number of steps and the tread depths and rises. If you want to change the stair dimensions, step sizes and height, select the staircase and go to Stairs tool option at the top bar. Once selected, you can start changing the stairs construction type, or step sizes from the editable options. To add an upper floor, go to Floors menu and select New Upper Floor, or you may select Ground Floor icon and select Add New Floor. Before adding another floor, options are available to change floor name, floor height, material or copy walls. Change floor height if necessary. Then, you have the option to copy walls from the lower floor to the upper floor. In this example, we will not choose to copy the walls and we'll just draw exterior walls manually. By adding the first floor, this automatically changes active floor to the new floor. You can now draw exterior walls and interior walls here. To hide the inactive floors, say, ground floor, go to Floor menu then select Only Active Floor is visible from the drop-down. You can now only see the active floor which is named Floor 2. Now, add interior walls, doors and windows for this floor. Tip is to make all floors visible in case you want to align walls and windows with the ground floor. Toggle to 3D furnishing mode to see the three-dimensional view of the plan. To complete, we will now add the roof. Similar to the image, we'll use hipped roof. Let's go back first to 2D view or the construction mode. Select Roof tool icon then select Hip Roof from the catalog. For the roof input, we'll use rectangle option. We will start with the highest roof. But before that, to clearly see the first floor as our reference, we'll change view to only active floor is visible. Before drawing roof, we'll change some items at the tool options. Click on the tool options at the top bar. At the pop-up window, we'll tick Insert Attic Roof and create new floors, if the gable of the roof extends beyond the top floor. This will automatically add the attic and extend its wall according to the roof pitch. Now that the options are set, click on a wall corner, then pan to its opposite corner, creating a rectangular roof. If you have an irregular shaped roof, use polygonal input. As you can see, attic and roof are added in the floor list. Now, let's add the front roof. Click Hip Roof again and select Rectangular Input. Click on the first corner, then select the second opposite corner. Make sure that the roofs overlap, so click on a point where the roof will be overlapping each other. You may select Roof as active floor to see the roof configuration you made. Then, let's change the roof pitch to a lower angle. To change, select the roof to configure, then select Roof Editor from the top bar. This will open a window. Find roof pitch at the options or select the angle symbol at the illustration and overwrite its default value. Say 20 degrees. Then close the window. Change the other roof pitch. This time a higher pitch than the 20-degree pitch of the first roof. We'll overwrite to 30 degrees. If you have overlapping roofs, the best way to merge is to select Intersect Roof tool. Select the two overlapping roof. Then, select Options from the main menu and choose Intersect Roof. This will cut through each other where they currently cross. Add the other roof also. For this carport roof, we'll use Flat Roof. To add this roof on a ground floor area, make sure to select Floor 2 or First Floor as the active floor. Select Roof tool, then select Flat Roof from the catalog. We'll use polygonal input since we will cover an polygonal shaped area. Go to Tool Options and tick Add Roof to Current Floor and uncheck Create New Floors. Since we don't need an attic here. You can now draw the polygonal roof. Select the roof and go to Roof Editor. We will remove the overhang. Select Overhang and overwrite default value to 0. Then add the other roof. We now have already a similar home design with the image we picked at Pinterest. As you can see, the materials and finishes are in default. You have the option to change this by using Material tool. To change the default lighting, go to View at Main menu and select Lighting from the drop-down. You may choose from different light setting. Let's choose daytime. To change materials or finishes, if you are in 3D mode, select Material icon. You will see Catalog of Materials at the right bar. There are many options from the inbuilt catalog for the finishes. Explore the folders and find the right category and material. Select the preferred material and click on a surface to apply. Change materials according to your design. To add a realistic shadow, go to View at Main menu and find Shadows at the drop-down. By selecting Shadow, the software will calculate the shadow casting, and after that, it will realistically show shadow in your model. To add objects, just select Objects icon from the toolbar. This will open a catalog of all 3D objects in different categories: trees, outdoor furniture and many more. To add into the model, drag and drop selected object and set by clicking on the preferred location. You can also add interior objects into your design. Go to 2D or construction mode and drag and drop selected objects into location. You can choose from many preloaded furniture and fixtures in the catalog. In this software you can completely plan your own home at your own hands. Exterior or interior, at an easy interface. For more information and training videos, visit cadcabin.com. Thanks for watching.